approaching your battery station, always make sure you have a clear path to and from. Always make sure you have your clean PPE equipment ready on the station. Your equipment should include your safety glasses, a face shield, an apron, as well as gloves for your hands, rubber gloves for protection. All that should be readily available, clean, at your battery station. When you're at the station, your battery station, always make sure your batteries are kept off the ground, never stacked on top of one another, and always keep them in the right section of where they need to be. Old batteries, charging station batteries, for those needing charged, and batteries that are no good. Remember, kept off the floor. Also, on your bulletin for February 28th, which was your bolt hold downs, always keep those nearby at your battery station. While charging, checking your batteries, always use your battery hold down. At your battery station also, gang, you should have two bulletins always posted, hanging up at your battery station. It's bulletin number SO9-49 and SO9-20. These will explain battery procedures during charging for both new batteries as well as used batteries going into a vehicle, or testing them coming out to see if they're going to be good or if they're going to be disposed of. And that will go on the rack accordingly where they need to go. Now your SO9-20, there is a phenomenon which is known as soak charging. The bulletin does talk about that, but in excess of when you're 100% fully charged on your battery, and if that charge goes longer than 10 hours, your battery charge is going to be good and maybe a little bit better than where it should test at. But once your 12.6 volts are reached, always perform a normal test, load test on your batteries. Your volt rating should be a minimum of 9.6. If it is, go to step 2. Step 2 is going to be you wait 15 seconds for your battery as well as your testing. 15-second wait, retest. If it's 9.6 or greater, your battery is good. If it's 9.6 or less, your battery is bad. It should go on the batteries to be replaced, or bad batteries to then be picked up and replaced with new. Your second bulletin is an SO9-49. Again, should be placed with your battery station. This is a bulletin for correct procedures for charging prior to installation, whether it be a new battery or a charged battery. Each test should be done, even if it's a new battery off the shelf, roughly 2 months, give or take, time frame on your date on your battery. A normal charge, 12.6, 12.3, somewhere in that range. But once you're testing it, always use a charge testing adapter for correct procedure. That is on here as well. New batteries, like I said, should be tested off the shelf, whether it's new or whether it's recharged. And also, they should both just remain at your station to kind of go off of to give you a test point. Okay, you ready? We're back, guys. Just letting you know, always keep a clear path to and from your eye wash station. It could be in different areas in your own shop. Just always make sure there's a clear path. You don't want to be having something in your eye and trip getting to the eye wash station. Just have a clear path to and from both ways. Check it. It should be inspected. I believe it's once a month. Just a clear path.